Hey everyone! Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English you can actually use.
And I'm Ethan. Here, we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
And today's topic is something we all dream about when we're sitting at our desks vacations. Those special times when we take a break from work or school to rest, explore, and enjoy life a little more.
It's a perfect theme because when you travel or even plan a trip, you use a lot of real English. We'll show you exactly how to talk about your vacation naturally, from planning to packing and sharing your experiences.
We'll mix in our own stories, real vacation moments, so you can learn and feel like you're right there with us.
Perfect. So grab your notebook or maybe your sunglasses, and let's dive in for a short English trip together. A vacation is a time when you don't work or go to school. It's your break, a moment to relax, travel, or do what you love.
It's like pressing pause on your busy life. You stop rushing, and you finally have time for yourself.
You can say, I'm on vacation when you're already enjoying your time off, or I'm going on vacation when you're about to travel.
Let's try it together. I'm on vacation. Now I'm going on vacation. Nice.
Another phrase is take a break. It doesn't have to be far. Even a weekend at home can be a break. I'm taking a short break this weekend.
My favorite mini vacations are simple. I make coffee, sit by the window, and read a book. No rush, just peace.
That sounds perfect. For me, a vacation means spending time outdoors, walking near the sea or hiking in the mountains.
See? A vacation doesn't always need a plane ticket. It's about rest and feeling fresh again.
You can also use spend plus time plus doing something. I spent 3 days at the beach. I spent a week visiting my family.
Let's try one more. I spent a weekend relaxing at home. Perfect.
Now that we know what a vacation is, let's visit one of the most popular spots, the beach.
Just saying that word makes me feel relaxed already.
The beach is full of simple happiness, sunshine, waves, and that salty breeze.
Here are some phrases you can use. I went to the beach last weekend. I spent my vacation at the beach.
And for activities, use go plus dashing, go swimming, go surfing, go sunbathing, go snorkeling.
Let's try. I went swimming in the ocean. I went sunbathing on the sand.
You can also say, I enjoyed the sunshine or I enjoyed walking along the beach.
Add feelings. It was so relaxing. The water was crystal clear.
Kids might say, I built sandcastles or I played with a beach ball.
That reminds me. I went to Phuket, Thailand last summer. The beach was calm and quiet. I drank coconut water, watched the sunrise, and felt peaceful.
I remember a trip to Hawaii. My friends and I swam, tried local seafood, and watched the sunset. Unforgettable.
That's why people love beach vacations. You relax, explore, and feel alive.
And when you tell your story, use the past tense. Went, swam, enjoyed. Now, after all that sunshine, let's head somewhere cooler, the mountains. The air feels crisp. The sound of birds replaces the waves. We're in the mountains, calm and peaceful.
Here, everything slows down, even your thoughts.
We often say go hiking, go camping, or take a walk in the forest.
For example, I went hiking last weekend. We camped near a river. I took a walk through the forest.
Describe what you saw and felt. The air was fresh. The forest was full of tall trees.
My first mountain trip was in Banff, Canada. I woke up to fog over the valley and the smell of clean air. It felt like another world.
When I visited Switzerland, we stayed in a wooden cabin. At night, everything was silent, just stars above.
That's magical. To describe your trip, say I went to plus place, plus and plus activity. I went to the mountains and took photos of the view.
Or I went hiking and saw a waterfall. Add adjectives: peaceful, quiet, relaxing.
And now that we've enjoyed nature, let's visit a place full of energy. The city. Bright lights, busy streets. Welcome to the city.
A city vacation means energy and discovery. You can say I visited plus place or I went to plus landmark.
For example, I visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Or I went to New York City.
Use I tried, I saw, I explored. I tried street food. I explored the old town.
I love that. My favorite city vacation was in Tokyo, Japan. My friend and I spent 3 days walking, trying ramen, and getting lost in Shibuya.
I had a similar trip in Paris. Museums by day, river walks at night. Every corner felt alive.
To describe cities, use adjectives like exciting, busy, colorful, fascinating.
For example, the city was busy but exciting. Now, not everyone travels far. Some people enjoy staying home. The famous staycation. A staycation means staying at home but treating it like a vacation.
You can say, I'm having a staycation this weekend, or we decided to stay home and relax.
Use verbs like sleep in, watch movies, cook something special, read a book.
I love staycations. Last month I cooked pasta, read a novel, and took long naps. It felt amazing.
My staycation was all about comfort. Cleaning one day, cooking the next, then doing absolutely nothing.
That sounds perfect. Describe it like this. It was simple, but relaxing. I felt refreshed after the weekend.
Add emotion, it was cozy and calm. Whether you travel or stay home, vacations are about how you feel, not where you go.
Exactly. Speaking of travel, let's pack our bags.
When packing, remember these verbs: pack, bring, and take. I packed my clothes, I brought my sunglasses, I need to take my charger.
For the beach, I packed my swimsuit, sunscreen, and flip-flops. For the city, I packed comfortable shoes and a camera.
After pack, bring, or take, use an for one item, plural for general ones. A hat, shoes, snacks.
Add detail. I packed a big straw hat for the beach.
You're so organized. I once forgot my hiking shoes and had to walk in sandals all day.
Oh no, that's why I make checklists. Clothes, passport, charger, snacks, book, headphones. Remember this. Pack light, but smart.
Now let's talk about the journey itself. We can travel by car, bus, train, or plane. Say travel by car, take a flight, take a train, or go on a road trip.
I traveled by car last weekend. I prefer traveling by train. It takes about 2 hours to get there.
My favorite part is takeoff. That magical moment when the plane lifts into the sky.
And I love road trips, stopping for snacks, music, and photos. Each way feels different. Cars are flexible, trains are peaceful, planes are fast. Okay, so you had your trip. Now the important part? How do you talk about it when you get home?
Exactly. You can start by asking someone else, how was your trip? Simple, direct, and kind.
And your response should be honest. Instead of just, it was good, try adding adjectives. It was fantastic. Or, it was a little disappointing.
If you want details, ask, what was the best part? Or did you try any local food? This shows real interest.
Let's roleplay quickly. How was your trip to Barcelona, Ethan?
It was absolutely amazing. The best part was getting lost and finding a tiny local market. I met friendly locals and tried amazing street food.
That sounds unforgettable. I went hiking, saw beautiful views, and felt so alive.
Perfect. You see, using those past tense verbs and adjectives makes the story come to life.
But sometimes things go wrong. That's real life. How do we talk about travel troubles?
Use phrases like, I missed my flight. Very common. My luggage got lost, or the hotel was fully booked.
That's useful English. I was a little frustrated when I missed my train. See? Simple words, real emotions.
Exactly. No right or wrong vacation, just experiences that make you feel recharged.
Everyone enjoys vacations differently. You can say, I prefer relaxing vacations, or I enjoy adventure trips.
or I love exploring new cities. You can also say, I'm the kind of person who loves slow mornings and sunsets.
I'm definitely a mix. I love quiet beaches, but also exploring new places.
I'm more active, hiking, visiting museums, learning local culture. Do you plan everything?
Not always. Some of my best memories were unplanned, like getting lost in Barcelona, Spain, and finding a tiny market where a local family offered me homemade ice cream.
That's such a sweet story, literally. Travel surprises are the best.
When you share your stories, use past verbs went, saw, met, tried. Let's try one. I went hiking, saw beautiful views, and felt so alive.
Exactly. That brings us to our final thoughts. What a journey. From beaches to mountains, cities, and staycations.
Let's review quickly. We learned to say I went to, I spent time, I enjoyed, and I traveled by.
We also practice vocabulary, go swimming, go hiking, pack a bag, take a train, and importantly, how to talk about travel troubles and share your feelings.
And we learned how to add emotion. It was relaxing, exciting, peaceful.
Remember, talking about vacations is about stories, not perfect grammar. Try saying your own story. Last summer, I went to Hawaii with my friends. We swam, played volleyball, and watched the sunset. It was perfect.
Simple words, real emotions. That's fluent English. So think about your next vacation. Where do you want to go?
Or your dream vacation. I'd love to visit Italy. I'd love to see the northern lights in Iceland.
Every sentence you say brings you closer to fluency.
And maybe your next trip will be your next English practice too.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
We're proud of you for showing up, learning, and growing.
We hope this episode inspired you to plan your next trip, or at least your next staycation. And remember, keep practicing those phrases we learned today.
If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's also dreaming of a vacation.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.
Take care, stay kind, and keep growing.
And remember, keep your English alive every single day.